The government has appointed 3 external members to the Monetary Policy Committee, that is the Rate-Setting Monetary Policy Committee of the RBI. Let's do a 3-point analysis to find out what do these members bring to the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee. 1. Why have these new members been appointed? Well, the 3 MPC seats have been vacant since the terms of the previous appointees, that is Chetan Ghate, also Pami Dua and Ravindra Dholakia. All of their term had ended on September 22nd. Now, the rules do not allow a reappointment of the previous members as well. The RBI also had to postpone its last meeting of the MPC, which was scheduled to begin on 29th of September, as the government could not fill these vacancies really, and after the tenure of the 3 external members had ended. Now, the rate setting committee also requires at least 4 members to be present at a time of the meeting, and which is why the meeting could not be conducted. The new members have now been appointed for 4 years. Also, the appointment has come after the government really faced widespread criticism over failing to act on time to appoint the external panel. The other members on the MPC are RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, Deputy Governor Michael Patra and Executive Director Janak Raj. Also, the mandate of the panel that was formed in 2016 is to really target consumer prices or inflation within the range of 2% to 6%. 2. What do the new members bring to the MPC? Well, the 3 new members appointed are really Ashima Goel. She is the Professor, Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research. Also, Jayant R. Verma, who is the Professor of Indian Institute of Management at Ahmedabad. And also Shashank Bhide, who is the Senior Advisor at National Council of Applied Economic Research. Now, experts say that all these 3 hold rich experience in their own fields. For instance, Ashima Goel is also an independent director at Edelweiss Financial Services, at IDBI Bank and also at SBI General Insurance. Now, she was also a visiting fellow at the Economic Growth Center at Yale University of USA. Now, Shashank Bhide, when you talk about him, he also serves as a member of board of the governors of the Institute of Social and Economic Change in Bangalore. Also, his research covered a number of areas in agriculture, macroeconomics, modeling and socio-economic issues. Now, these are the things that are very critical to the economy. Jayant Verma is into wide research work in areas of financial markets, including currency and derivatives. 3. What does the delay in announcing the new monetary policy mean? Well, the pandemic is still evolving and the credit offtake has been quite sluggish. Experts say the economy is facing a serious challenge and the RBI has been leading from the front with quick responses through rate cuts, injecting liquidity through open market operations and long-term repo operations, and a variety of innovative tools to manage and to ensure financial stability in the country. Now, in this hour of economic emergency, the MPC has to be in place to formulate the regulated policy. Now, a delay in the appointments also keeps financial markets quite on the edge this time. Now, the MPC appointments will definitely impact the pricing of lakhs of crores of government bonds as well. Now, if the members are seen to be, say, fiscal hawks, bond prices would fall and this would reduce the chances of the RBI cutting interest rates going forward.